If you're a homeowner in Snohomish or King County and you are facing foreclosure, one of the biggest questions you may have is, can I still sell my home? The good news is yes, you can sell your home during foreclosure, but the process comes with deadlines, special rules, and some very important decisions. Today, I'm going to walk you through what you need to know if you are in this situation. I am Marie Noel Mite, a local realtor serving Snohomish and King County, and I help homeowners navigate both traditional styles and more complex situations like foreclosure. My goal is to make sure you understand your options so you can move forward with as much control and clarity as possible. So let's start with the basics. Foreclosure begins when a homeowner falls behind on their mortgage payments. In Washington state, lenders can start the foreclosure process after about 90 days of missed payment, although every case is unique. Once foreclosure starts, you typically receive a notice of default and later a notice of trustee sale. That sale date is the deadline when the bank will auction the home if the loan hasn't been resolved. The key thing to know is that up until that trustee sale date, you still have the legal right to sell your home. Selling during foreclosure is called pre-foreclosure sale. If you can sell for enough to pay off your mortgage balance, plus any late fees and costs, the foreclosure process will stop. In Snohomish County cities like Everett, Bethel, or Linwood, and in King County areas like Seattle or Renton, this option allows many homeowners to protect their equity and avoid the lasting damage of a foreclosure on the credit. Now, if you owe more on your mortgage than the home is worth, that's where a short sale may come into play. A short sale means the bank agrees to accept less than the full balance owed in order to settle the debt. These sales require lender approval and they can take more time, but they are often still better than letting a foreclosure go through. The key here is to work with a realtor who understands the process and can negotiate with your lender. Another important factor is timing. Foreclosure deadlines are strict. If you wait too long, say until a week before the trustee sale, it may not be possible to close a sale in time. That's why acting early, even after you've missed just a few payments, is so important. The earlier you reach out for help, the more options you have. Now, let's talk about the benefits of selling before foreclosure is finalized. First, you may be able to walk away with cash if your home has equity. Second, selling on your own terms gives you more dignity and control rather than having the bank take the property at auction. And third, it's far less damaging to your credit than a completed foreclosure, which can stay on your record for up to 7 years. One of the biggest mistakes I see is homeowners freezing up because they feel embarrassed or overwhelmed. I want you to know that you are not alone and there are professionals who can help you through it. Taking action is the most important step you can make. So, can you sell a home in foreclosure in Snohomish or King County? Yes, you can. And in many cases, it's the smartest financial decision you can make. Whether it's a traditional sale, a pre-foreclosure sale, or even a short sale, the key is to act quickly and get guidance from someone who knows the process. If you're in this situation and you're not sure where to start, reach out to me. I'll give you a clear picture of your home's value, explain your options, and help you communicate with your lender if needed. I am Marie Noel Mite, your local realtor, and I'm here to guide you with care and expertise. Call me today for a confidential, no obligation consultation. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.